How to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, go ahead and tap on the sounds and haptics option. Under ringtone and alerts, you will see a slider. Make sure the slider is set to its fullest because sometimes when the slider is set at low, then you will not be able to hear the ring. Next, tap on haptics option and make sure the always play option is selected. Go back and now tap on the ringtone option and make sure your ringtone is set to the sound that is not very low. You can select your ringtone from the classic tab to get louder ringtones. Now, in sounds and haptics again under system, sounds and haptics, make sure the toggle button for lock sound and system haptics are toggled on. Now go back to settings and tap on focus and then on do not disturb mode and make sure the do not disturb mode is not enabled. Also go back to settings homepage and then tap on general and then on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your device further. Lastly, check for the silent button on the left side of your iPhone. If you have enabled the silent mode from the side, then go ahead and change the button. If the button is sent downwards and you can see red color there, then this means the silent mode is enabled. So go ahead and change the button and remove your phone from the silent mode. And this is how you can fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.